Central Mining Institute. The Central Mining Institute is a research facility for the minerals extraction industry. The institute cooperates with the mining industry as well as with the companies from various sectors, universities, research institutes and local governments. The institute has advanced test facilities, excellent equipment, testing grounds and, more importantly, a team of experienced researchers. General Director of the Central Mining Institute, Professor Józef Dubiński. The Central Mining Institute is among the leading and largest research institutes in Poland. For over 90 years, we've been using our knowledge to support Polish and global mining, as well as other economic sectors. We support all the citizens of Poland, and in particular those who live in the Silesian Voivodeship. Our mission is the development of innovative, energy-saving, safe, clean technologies and technical solutions that will support the formation of a good relationships between the industry, the citizens and the environment. To accomplish this mission, the Institute takes on challenges posed by the contemporary economy and society. These challenges are consistent with global and European research trends and the priorities associated with the development of our country. Mining and geoengineering. The oldest section of the Central Mining Institute is the Barbara Experimental Mine, the only underground testing ground in Europe. The mine is a site of tests on gas and dust hazards, conducted not only for the purposes of the mining industry, but for other industrial sectors as well. The experimental facilities of the Barbara mine are used during the certification procedures of equipment and blasting materials, as well as during tests on explosive materials for civil uses. The Central Mining Institute is an EU-notified body entitled to award products with the European CE mark within three important directives: ATEX, machinery and explosives for civil uses. Practically all devices intended to be used in a zone which is at risk of a gas or dust explosion have to be examined by the laboratories of the Institute. The laboratories conduct a profile test on devices, machinery, protective systems and anti-explosion solutions. The Institute's greatest success in recent years has been the international IECX accreditation, which ensures that the certificates are recognized in most countries around the world. The studies on the development and implementation of new solutions in the field of risk monitoring and assessment of natural and technical hazards in mining, along with effective technologies for combating such hazards, are an undoubted success of the Institute. It is here that the original fire risk forecast method was developed, as well as the modern mining geophysics solutions that enable a more precise assessment of seismicity induced by mining activities. The original work of our specialists is valued in Poland and abroad, for example in China. Clean Coal Technologies Center. Contemporary power industry sees a clash of two contradictory trends: the striving towards reduction of CO2 emissions and the use of coal as an important source of primary energy. The Clean Coal Technologies Center was founded to reconcile these two concepts and make coal more environmentally friendly. The infrastructure available at the center allows for experiments on various scales, from basic laboratory tests to pilot tests, which brings the research work closer to actual commercial implementation. The researchers at the Clean Coal Technologies Center work on new technologies, such as the overground and underground gasification of solid fuels, direct coal liquefaction aimed at the production of chemicals, and many others. Their work is consistent with the global trends in this area. The center performs a wide range of accredited analysis of solid fuels, biofuels, recovered fuels and cinders, ensuring fully objective results. Environmental Engineering Center. The Central Mining Institute has the most advanced environmental radioactivity center in Poland. The center conducts research on natural background radiation and radioactive contamination. The center has unique research equipment, such as the equipment for the calibration of devices measuring all kinds of radiation. It performs measurements of radioactive contamination of human environment, water and foodstuffs. The newly founded Environmental Engineering Center conducts comprehensive research and development work in the area of environmental engineering and so-called green economy, providing the Institute's clients and partners with a full range of environmental services. New technologies, products and solutions which limit the environmental impact of human activities and support the protection and sharing of resources according to the rules of sustainable development are developed here. An important sphere of the Institute activity is the revitalization of degraded land. The research covers practically everything that affects the environment, from detailed analysis of waste, the assessment of quality of air, soil, water, sewage and sludge, to tests on agricultural and food products. The results of the research are used to develop appropriate revitalization plans.
Nasze marzenie to nowoczesne.
Our dream is a high-tech, effective, safe and environmentally friendly mining in Poland, as well as a rapidly changing and clean Silesia in Poland. We want to be active participants in these changes. Every year, the research teams at the Central Mining Institute complete more than 100 statutory objectives, around 90 various research projects and around 6,000 research studies ordered by Polish and international clients. In recent years, the share of projects completed thanks to EU funds under the EU Framework Programme and the Research Fund for Coal and Steel has increased. The Central Mining Institute cooperates with world's leaders in mining, such as China, United States, Australia, India, Mexico, Vietnam, Turkey and the Republic of South Africa. The Central Mining Institute is a research institute that is recognized in all mining countries. It is a good ambassador for the Polish mining industry and for the Polish economy as well.